I'm Anush Raghavan. I am the president and head of the cash management business at CMS. I've been in the company for about 12 years now. We are India's largest ATM management and payment systems company and the fifth largest globally. In the 10 years that we've been in CMS, we've seen the value of the company grow by almost tenfold, and we're close to $1 billion in market value right now. We handle close to about 75,000 ATMs in the country and work with more than 50,000 retail partners and helping them in their cash flow. We work across the length and breadth of India. We are present in more than 98% of the districts, and we work with almost every single bank in India.
Hi, myself Rashmi Parekh, and I belong to Hitachi Payment Services. We are into ATM business and also digital business. We have two verticals. One is cash business and one is a digital business.
Writer is in a cash management business. I am heading the Writer cash management business as a CFO. I am also looking after the risks and tax matters and legal matters of the company. Writer Safeguard is engaged into a cash management business and a managed service business also. We are presently managing ATMs for all the leading public sector and private sector banks. At the same time, on a retail cash pickup business, we are also leading player in the retail cash pickup business. We are also deployed close to around 1800 ATMs for one of the leading public sector bank. We are a team of almost 7,000 plus employees across the country, and the company is growing at a CAGR of more than 20% year on year.
We have 5 companies under the Certis Lanka Group. The main company, Certis Lanka Secure Solution Private Limited, marks 44 years of experience in the static security field. And we are the sister companies, that is Certis Lanka Technologies, Certis Lanka SwiftCare Nursing, and Certis Lanka Courier. So our company is Certis Lanka Secure Logistics Private Limited. We have been providing secure logistics to Sri Lankan market for the past 16 years. We are working with all major banks in Sri Lanka, and we are also providing cash solutions, cash transport solutions to major blue chip companies, major supermarkets, and wide cross spectrum of customers from retail to corporates, banks, financial institutions, and entire gamut of industries. So that is where we are right now. We are the #1 security service provider in Sri Lanka right now.
Industry is evolving continuously. Many changes I have seen since 2010 onward, and recently the Reserve Bank of India came with massive changes. If those all changes get implemented, I think it's good days are for the industry, and these changes are really going to help the cash management industry in a big way. Reserve Bank of India or my Ministry of Home Finance Affairs is continuously working on that thing, and these changes will make a significant change in the risk profile of this industry. Certain changes are like cash carrying limits on a vehicle, OTC locks, cassette swap, loading in the evening sessions, or the restrictions beyond a certain time limits, crew combination on the vehicles. All these changes are going to change the entire risk profile of this industry.
You know about the industry, right? Cash in India is almost like a religion. People tend to worship currency. There are many places in the country where during weddings, the bride and the groom literally put a garland of currency notes onto each other as part of a wedding ritual. That's how intrinsic it is to the life of an everyday Indian. We have seen during this COVID pandemic times that cash is almost back to 95% of its usage compared to the earlier period. In many parts of India, and especially the semi-urban and rural, which is 75% of the work that we do, cash is growing by almost 10% compared to pre-COVID times. Our responsibility as an industry and as CMS is very simple. We want to keep the cost of cash as low and as effective as possible. And along with that, we want to make it available when needed, where needed by anybody. Because fundamentally, we believe that the role that cash has to play is one of financial inclusion, and it's extremely important in the formalization of the economy.
So during COVID, it was impacted badly because the physical touch and things were not there. But at the moment, we are almost getting back there, pre-COVID status. We are up to 90% in cash, and digital is, as everyone knows, is raising by leaps and bounds. And COVID has also added advantage for the digital. But I would say here that still cash is not given away, because India is basically people where they believe in cash, and cash has not gone away. And one more information is this, that prior to COVID, the cash in circulation, what was there, has gone up by about 15 to 18% till date, and that is the RBI report. So which also tells us that cash business is here to stay and it will continue staying there. And with respect to the risk, since I manage the risk, I would like to share the risk aspects of the business. Since we are into ATMs, we manage about 25 to 26% of the ATMs across India. And in CRM space, which is cash recyclers, we manage more than 50%.
In Asian markets also, particularly in Sri Lanka, cash logistics operation has taken a different approach because almost all cash service providers, transport service providers have to evolve to cash management as an integrated solution provider for cash management, not cash transport. Because almost all the banks are outsourcing their cash related services, not only transport but also sorting, counting, and also direct collection from customer locations. And there are a lot of changes in cash transport, especially if you take the private sector. In Sri Lankan market, there is vast potential for cash management solution providers.
I'm working with an alliance team for the last more than 8 years. I found one of the best insurance brokers in the country as far as cash management business is concerned, because they understand their product very well. They design solutions depending upon customer requirements. When I'm looking at an alliance, I'm not just looking at the product what they design, but the way they handhold the customer for settlement of claims is also remarkable. And I feel that the way things are happening, they are the first to take us to the international market to see that and how we can place our policy in the international market. And our experience of settlement of claim is remarkably very well. Okay. I wish all the best to the Alliance and Alliance team. Thanks.
Our relationship with Alliance goes back to almost 6 to 7 years, which is for most parts of the time that I've been in CMS. And Arthur and his team have just been fantastic partners to work with. Amongst many other things, if I had to count 2 areas where their role has been indispensable to us. The first is they're acting as a very effective bridge between the Indian market and the reinsurance market, in being able to articulate the uniqueness of certain things that happen in the country and converting that into a language which underwriters understand from a risk perspective. I think they've done a fantastic job on that. And the second thing is, many times you tend to not appreciate the role people play because they're doing such a good job of it and allowing you to focus and do your own job. And I think from that perspective, Alliance has just been fantastic in being able to keep control of our risk cost and maintain an extremely steady focus on that and help us in effective claims management. They've allowed me and my team to focus on running the business.
Since we deal with cash, the risk attached to this in cash is the ATM theft, cash losses, asset losses, transit losses. As far as digital space is concerned, there are cyber risk and things like that. And to manage all these risks, we have our partners, which are Alliance. We have been with them for last 3 years and they have been serving us very well. We are very happy, and more importantly, they are more innovative and bring back to us a lot of innovative solutions for the business, where they also try to get us the best partners, because we have in India PSU, public sector insurance companies and private. So lately they have started bringing in private insurance brokers, insurance companies, which help us to get better deals, easy settlements and better premiums. So basically we are happy very much with Alliance, and the relation which should continue for long. Thank you.
The knowledge of most of the insurance agents and insurers also in Sri Lankan perspective is limited to the Sri Lankan market. That is where we found Alliance Insurance Brokers experience and expertise in different markets, different global markets, experience in developed markets where this cash management solution is very vibrant and developed, came very, very handy, and they have been very helpful to us in providing the right insurance solutions, insurance covers, and they have been providing us with a lot of good insights into the insurance market and also risks which we can cover. And it has been a very good experience with them right throughout during last year.